Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you guys for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me on this wonderful Friday morning. Start with some fresh lemon water, get your mind and body right. Let's keep it moving with the good vibes on a Friday morning, baby. Fridays still get me happy like a kid in high school, man. So happy to get out of school on Friday afternoon. I was just like, yes. I still remember it. I felt like I was trapped, and I finally got let out. A lot of people still buying their Bitcoin, people buying their Litecoin, their Ethereum. Ain't nothing stopping. Ain't nothing stopping, guys. Remember that. Doesn't matter what they do to crypto. People have no choice. There's nothing better, guys. So Goose a scam. Maybe, Pump It only has 5,000 coins. This is going to pump like crazy. Pump It. Interesting. Green tea is the way. Why do you think Goose is a scam? Just curious. I don't know. Someone wrote that. I don't know. Germany is watching again. Can you please check R on the 1 hour? Thanks, man. We'll check R. I just longed ETH and Litecoin for a quick scalp. Bought the dip hard this morning. Now having a barbecue. I like it. I like it. I like your idea. Maybe I'll have one too. It's windy here though. It's cold and windy for an April day, guys. It's blistery out here. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you guys for coming on and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Kicking it with the lifer, having a good day. We're gonna get through these dips regardless, right? I mean, we're gonna live regardless. We're gonna have a good time regardless. We're gonna be here regardless. So whatever they do to us, it does not matter. Shout out to everyone here. Shout out to anyone that jumped in on the late night stream last night. Had a bit of a it was like a little intimate setting there for us. Only about 100 of us there hanging out. Pretty cool. But shout out to everyone that came into the live stream last night. We had a good time. Okay. Can we get the likes up to 50 likes at least? We got 98 people watching. Let's get those likes up to 100 likes. Get them likes up. Okay, everyone in my Patreon, my $99 Patreon, DM me, please. If you want to be in a pre-sale, please DM me. If you're in my VIP Patreon, please DM me. Because today there's a possible pre-sale. I can't guarantee it, but it looks like there may be a possible pre-sale today. So stay tuned. Let me know. I believe I can give some allocation. So yeah, I don't know. If you want allocation to a pre-sale, please DM me. But you have to be a VIP member. Take a picture of your subscription and then DM me with it. Don't make me go chasing to find out if you are. And if I don't see the picture, then you're out. Pretty simple. So if you're a VIP, if you're an ultimate, if you pay $99 a month to be in my Patreon, please privately message me and say I would like to be in a pre-sale. It would be nice if you had $1,000 in USDC and maybe $50 in ETH waiting before you do such a thing. And then you should have it sitting there for a few days too in case, but we should be able to do it later on in the afternoon. So keep me up. Well, I'll keep you up to date with the pre-sale. So, and that's another thing you get if you pay $99 to my Patreon, access to pre-sales. I guarantee, I can't, there's about 20 slots. Depending each time, 10 to 20 slots. But I'll try not to do repetitive people too. Once someone gets in, I'll say, all right, you've had one. And so I'm going to try to get through my 100 Patreons or, my 80 Patreons that pay $99 and give you guys pre-sale allocation. So I'm trying to get you that $99 back 10 times over. Like, I want you to 10x on your investment with my Patreon, which I believe I will. And that's my goal. That's my goal. All right. Remember, there's a Discord tonight at 6 p.m. for my ultimate Patreon members. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Eastern time. All right. I'm interested in hearing your strategy as well. Who is not interested in hearing my strategies? All right, guys. 110 people watching. Let's keep it moving, man. Let's keep it moving. 47 likes. That's just not the Lifer way. Great time last night. Back at it this morning. Lifer is a bad. That makes you the man. Put me in, coach. What is the pre-sale of Lifer? I can't disclose all the pre-sales. I can't do that. But believe you me, it looks like a very good project that it looks like it can 7x at least. At the very, very, very least. Okay. So I'm at Adam BTC. It's still at break even. This has been a trade of trades. If you know me, guys, I've been in this trade a long time. Shout out to Oliver. Hey, Lifer, I got most of my alts on the dip before this last dump. Almost out of dollar cost averaging. Should I think about scaling some out to get a better entry if we are going lower? Thank you, Backstream. Thank you. Shout out to Crypto Greg, man. Shout out to Crypto Greg. Shout out to everyone here. Yeah, I got my 7 hours of sleep and I'm back at it. So we're going to take a look at some BTC trades. We're going to take a look at some different things that I see in the market. But of course, we're going to look at Bitcoin right now, right off the bat. Shout out to Oliver. Thank you so much for the super chat. Much respect. I got to find it, but I only see it when it happens. You see what I'm saying? But I got to find that thing. Alert box. There it is right there. And I'm going to move it to the middle. There it is. Yes, we did it. We did it. I make it huge. No, that would be rude, right? Yeah, that's good. That's good. All right. Found the alert box. Hey, Life, I got most of my alts on the dip. That's a good question, Oliver. I need to know what you got them on the dip for. Like, are you up right now? Are you down? To me, if they're good alts, if they're good projects, I wouldn't be touching them. You know what I'm saying? Bless you. Back to work. No music today, brother. Oh, see, that's horrible. Yeah, I had the music playing the whole time. Just had it down from the settings I was recording last night. Got the music up for you guys. Sorry about that. Because I've been hearing the music just vibing, and I'm like, all right, they're not vibing with me. I'm like, why aren't they vibing with me? That's why. Because you don't have the music up, Crypto Lifer. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming on in. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that's your time. I couldn't do this without you. We couldn't do this without each other. Hey, Lifer, I love your channel and your vibe, and I'm starting to learn more about Coin Down on Binance. Do you think we can use that to our advantage right now? We could, depending on the time, though. And we as a group, we traded a lot of Coin Down tokens. But in the bull market, you're not going to see me doing that. I want to just continually average what I want. Are you going to touch on Moon Boys? Nice tunes. Yeah. Good morning, Lifer. Can you find a stop on this drop? 45, 4,000? Or is it time to go up? Nice mic. Right? The nice mic. Ada, Alpha, Win, AVAX. Not down much, really. Not enough for me to be worried. I like what he's saying there. Happy. Yeah, so I would just hold on to those, Oliver. I would not sell my positions. Those are strong positions and good coins. Happy Friday, Lifer. Tell us what the weekend looks like. It's a beautiful Friday. So, as on the live stream, remember, we said many times, I did say I have to give you guys the bearish scenario, and I did say this was a bearish pattern that could break to the downside. And what happened? It was a bearish pattern that did what? Break to the downside. So, Bitcoin levels. Bounced off this level now here, which was our next little level. Where did I get that level from? Well, let's do a little bit of a zoom in, shall we? And show you what I see happening. Well, as you can see right here, this was a significant level of support. As we came in, we bounced here. We wicked below it, but we always made it back above it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe, yeah, 5, 6 daily candles. Even 7 if you call this one. Yeah, 7 daily candles that would close on this line. So significant resistance right here at 48K. So it's not too uncanny that we would come wick below it, but just not be able to get that price down, right? Believe me, getting price down is as hard as getting price up. We flip this. This is a falling wedge breaking to the upside. Scary business, right? So, and that's why it does what it does, because you think about it, it's the inverse of the other pattern. Duh, you know, I never really thought about it like that, but that makes complete sense. This universe is balanced, so one thing is one way. Thank you so much for that super chat on a bloody day. Much respect to you for doing that. Shows that you have the faith in the channel. Can we get the likes up, though? 55 likes, 129 people watching. Let's get the likes to the watchers, man. If you're watching, hit the like button. Happy Friday, Lifer. Tell us what the weekend looks like. St. Elmo, my dude, man. My dude. So, we came to this level. Obviously, you're going to hear me say, if we don't hold this level, we're easily going to fall right back down to 43,987. If we don't hold that, yikes, there's like a big space here at 40K. Now, one thing to say, there is a gap, a CME gap, and it's all the way up at like 62,000. So we have a high CME gap. Remember that, because we fell down on a weekend and then opened back up. So there's a high CME gap up here at 52,000. Sad. Yesterday, everything was okay. We were sitting like this, and I was like, you know what? We can handle that. And we did our drop. So we need to V-shape recovery our way back into the pattern and make our way back in. But Bitcoin loves to do this little drop at the end. Right there, we saw it. Right there, we saw it. That's what Bitcoin does. Again, I like to go to the weekly time frame and zoom out, see what's going on, and just look at it clean, with clean vision, right? Clear support here at $38,000. That makes me shudder to think about, right? What is the CME gap? Can you explain? The CME is the futures, right? And they trade Bitcoin in Chicago, right? And you can bet on the price of Bitcoin in the next 2 weeks. Usually it's every 2 weeks about, and it opens and closes. And what happens is, if it basically it closes on Friday, it opens on Monday. And if Bitcoin makes significant moves during the times while it's closed, there's called a gap, because the CME basically chart has to open, but it closed here. As long as it like goes up and down, and it like kind of like, if it went here, went there. But if it drops significantly and opens again like Bitcoin did, there's a gap in price. And that's just called the CME gap. And those gaps get filled for whatever reason. Can't explain it all, but it is what it is. Now, we broke strong weekly resistance at 50Ks. That's worrisome. That is worrisome, I'll have to be honest. At the beginning, and we built, I kept saying that everything was fine because we were in a very bullish pattern. So like, what a difference a few days make, right? We're not in a bullish pattern anymore. We're actually in this pattern, but this could be the pattern as well. We could make our way up and through this pattern, but so far, no good. This candle did get hopefully we're going to have a weekly candle close on Sunday night. I love how you correlate trading with the universe. I like to say charting is like financial psychology, emotions and actions. Yeah, because it is the universe, because these are people's emotions here that we're watching, right? It's not like we're watching a math equation that doesn't make any sense. And what is it's like cause and effect. What makes this happen? What are we watching? I like to get analytical when I'm getting mathematical. And when I'm looking at this, it's like, well, this is a story. Just like someone writing a literal story, this is a story of people. And people of wanting and needing and getting scared and getting in and getting out and making money and losing money. And this is just the story of life, right? Shout out to everyone here, all 133 people. I'm so blessed to have every single one of you. Okay, check it out. Here is Bitcoin. Now, it could even come all the way back down here to 45K. And that's strong support, so there's a chance we do come back down here to strong support. But if we break that, and honestly, we're very low here. We're oversold on the weekly. That's kind of, we got low here. We got low here, but then look, we could even, got ugly, man. Got ugly on that weekly. But we're extremely oversold at the moment, which is a great sign. Always in the morning, and then after that, it's fine. So crazy. Thanks for doing all that you do for us. Really appreciate it. Shout out to Ahmad Quasi, man. No worries, man. Thank you for being here. Much respect to everybody here. So these are the levels we need to watch for Bitcoin. I do not like what I'm seeing. But again, when I break it down here, I do see swing low to swing low here. and I see swing low to swing low there. It tells me that we see a little bit of hidden bullish divergence, you know, even right here in this section on the weekly time frame. As long as we don't drop below here or go sideways, as long as we kind of stay in this angle, we have some hidden bullish divergence here on the weekly. So I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, in my opinion, and I still see it breaking to the upside. As long as it can hold these levels, I'm not going to change my prediction of Bitcoin at like $112,000. Somewhere, maybe in, you know, I think by June, July, early July at the very latest. Have you been meditating for your long, or have you had that balls of steel? Have you been meditating for your long? Shout out to Tiago Cruz, my man. My man, shout out to you, one of the first crypto lifers we ever had. My dude, man. When we were scrambling for 10 views, bro. My man, right here. Tiago Cruz. You were with me in October for the moons, when it looked like it was all over. T-Cake hit the bottom today. Damn, man, that's sad for T-Cake, man. That's sad. You know? You win some, you lose some, in my opinion. And look, Safe Moon, getting his dip bot back up, broke on out of the channel. You see that? That is a clean breakout of, you know, the basically resistance it's been in since April 20th. Popping back out. So, very interesting to see here. Safe Moon beginning to make its new move to the upside. I believe this is how it starts. And then boom. So, technically speaking, Safe Moon's looking pretty hot right now, honestly. 4 hours well is extremely oversold. We have hidden bullish divergence established. Tells us that the trend should continue to the upside. So we shall see Safe Moon looking pretty good so far. Let's take a look at Shiba Uno while I'm here. Shiba doing the classic double bottom out of the wedge, holding itself pretty nicely on this line. So that's another good sign. It was also previous support right here. So holding this like, ooh, that's also a shoulder, head, and a shoulder though. I've never looked at it like this. Look, shoulder, head, possible head and shoulder for Shiba. That could be an, so watch that line. I wish you could put a limit order. If you could, I'd put a limit order right there. I mean, I guess you can on 1 inch. So you can put a limit order on Shiba like right around this low, right? Bob Pirate Chain at 138 on CoinX. No withdrawals allowed. Making me worried. Worry why I enjoy my gains. No withdrawals allowed. That's a little strange. How can you be in an exchange that has no withdrawals? That doesn't make any sense. Shout out to Judy Nunnally. Jody Nunnally. Haven't seen Jody in a minute. She was one of the first lifers we ever had. I'm seeing some of my first lifers creep back in, man. I love you guys. I love you guys. Let's take a look at TK2 hitting rock bottom. It's a tough day for liquidity, guys. Anything people were just kind of like hoping on or liking on, they probably jumped on of because, you know, when the market's great, everyone's loving it. Yeah, T-Cake really bottoming out here. T-Cake really not even respecting the TA much. Wow, back to exact beginnings. You're right. I mean, bottom at the very bottom. Below its previous, yeah, it's just starting from scratch again. I guess a good buy zone, good buying opportunity. I don't know. To me, it could be a you know, a nil project. But I think once it comes out and people need it and use it, I think it's going to be a great thing. But I think we're just going to have to see it come to fruition. Crypto market crashed last Sunday at 10 p.m. Bleeding ever since. Yeah, it's been tough, man. It's been tough ever since the Coinbase IPO. OG's coming to buy the dip. OG's coming in to buy the dip. PancakeSwap will have its own analytics. Not sure about T-Cake. Well, T-Cake was supposed to be like a working kind of tool for Pancake. It's Pancake Tools. New hours at work. I have a day off today. Missed you too. Shout out to Jody. Thank you so much for coming on in. Stella Clickart too. Hi everyone. Love always. Stella was one of the first two we had. I see some of my first peoples, man. Porn sack. Interesting. Thank you for the happy and the peace sign. That's pretty cool of you, man. I see some people that got in early on Safe Moon say they made money, and some saying they can't get the money out. I like what you said last night. Meme coin dominant. Safe Moon got listed on Gate.io. I know. I thought that was a big deal. Safe Moon got 2 listings. It got listing on another exchange too. I was posting that in my Telegram. Saw that people talking about it. Pretty interesting, to say the least. Okay. Yeah, we're going to zoom out a little bit. We'll move it around. T-Cake at the bottom, though. Damn. What about Link? Lifer, can you please look at B-Pro or Trias? I like Trias. Trias has been like, you guys have been bringing Trias. I think we should look at the Trias kind of heavily. Things get brought to me and it's like they keep coming. Wow, Trias is up huge. That upsets me because you guys told me about Trias yesterday and I wanted to get in. Damn, man, I keep getting like a step away from these. Oh, are you kidding me? 2,600% too? Wow, you guys told me about this 2 days ago. Yesterday, you guys were, a lot of people were putting this on my radar. Trias. The name just didn't catch me. Damn, man. Trias. The aims to define a new treasury platform in public chains. What is Trias? Did anyone get into Trias? BTC looking sicker, double bottom about 2 p.m. CTST. Yeah, you never know. Lifer, look at TradingView. Told you a week ago on Trias. You did, right? See? You gotta like make a big presentation or something. I don't know what it is. I think we did. I think we went over it now. I see the website. But is it really up that much? I mean, is this on CoinGecko? Trias, man. SafeMoon doing pretty good, though. Sitting at 406. Not bad. You know, considering the high was, not, you know, about 900. Bit of a cup and handle looking like there, too. Funny. Yeah, I can't believe it had that spike back up to the high again. That's what threw me off. Bitcoin forming a W on the 1 hour. Got in Trias when I first mentioned. Damn, then you must have made a killing. I mean, because unless you put $2 in there, I hope you put at least $500 in there. Trias at 323. Okay, so that's not the right chart. So that chart wasn't right. This has to be something else. Yeah, we can't even see this yet here for some reason. Yeah, I was looking at the wrong Trias for sure, without a doubt. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Guys, thank you for watching us. Thank you for kicking it with me. Okay, it gets bearish in this bear market, man. Okay, so check it out. Cake doing its thing. What do I see Cake doing? Well, Cake's now in the rising wedge that Bitcoin just broke down out of. Okay. Doesn't have a huge pole, in my opinion. No pun intended. But, you know, it could get right here at 39 if it breaks on out and then kind of have its new happy medium. I love that it came and tested the previous high, so we got that out of the way. That's kind of what you need. You need this in the retest. Sometimes you have to come all the way up for the retest. I like a short retest. That's like stability right there. See, like, look at this one. This one had a big pop. Had to come all the way back down for the retest. See what I'm saying? And this was look, this is a pop here, had to come back down for the retest. And then again, it had a pop here, had to come back down for the retest. See it? Every time. And this is what's called support and resistance, right? It's amazing. And you'll see, look, this kind of broke out. Look, it retested this line twice, right there and right there. It's a double bottom, even though you really can't see it, because it's like the messiest double bottom I've ever seen. But it's kind of like, you see it? Shout out to with the 33. Thanks for doing this every day with the 33 pounds, man. You're the man, dude. And you're going to see it now in the middle of the screen. Show me the alert, my friends. Team, can we get the alert on, team? Hey, Bobby. Bobby, hit the alert button. There we go. Bam. Actually, I'd like it a little bigger, no? I'd like it a little bigger. I think it should be a little bigger, in my opinion. It does take up some of the screen. I know I'm doing stuff, but I'd like it a little bigger. I just upped the ante on that one. Thank you guys so much for coming here and being part of the live stream. Really appreciate it. 142 people watching. Okay. That's a super chat and a half, man. Shout out to Oi Rodney with the 33 pound, man. My 33 too. That makes me feel good, man. Now I can buy a pizza for my family today. We can eat today, guys, on this bearish day, on this bearish market. Anyone who followed me into Cake, though, Cake is doing great. It's like basically very close to all-time highs. ripping, doing very well. The daily for cake too, look, gonna form like this downtrend here, like this double bottom. That's beautiful. So how did cake just hit all-time highs, barely do any retracements in a beatdown market, and then somehow magically hold its position and reset its stochastics RSI to a low point where it can boom to the upside again? Cake, baby. And it's continuing to pay us every day, regardless of the bear market, bull market, whatever's going on. You're making your residual money on cake, man. Ori Rodney, my dude, he's been in with me since I first got into cake. He's one of the first lifers that got into cake, man, and throwing me 33. And I know he's struggling like everybody else, going through the pandemic, and has his own business. So for him to throw money at me, unbelievable, man. Shout out to you, bro, man. Shout out to you. Much respect to you. Shout out to him. Like, it's amazing what you do for us, man. It's amazing. 3 potential gems: BSC Station, Refinable, and Smoothie. Not on Coin Market yet. Yeah, we got to get some Refinable, guys, for sure. I'm going to find out how to buy Refinable right now. I'm going to put it on your radar, and I'm going to tell you that here's a freebie for everybody here. I am buying Refinable. There's no reason I will not buy Refinable. Wish I got on the pre-sale. Wish I found out where it was, but I've been busy lately too. But Refinable, man. Or Fine, we could call it too. You just have to do a Google search. That's what I've been doing recently. Refinable. Shout out to Deadlift, wrecked with stop losses. Time to rebuild. It happens, man. Well, at least you had a stop loss. I hope they saved you from more pain. And that's why I dollar cost average as well. You know what I'm saying? So they got their CoinGecko Refinable preview only. Wow. Where can we buy Refinable? We're going to be able to buy this thing, guys. We'll go to the Medium. The Medium might give us more information as well. We'll go to the Telegram. But this is coming out today, man. Hey, man, I'm just swinging by. I hope you are good. What's your opinion on the market right now? Should I take some more profits on Bitcoin or just ride the wave? Just need some thoughts, man. Be careful. There are so many fine scams going on. Yeah, but this is Refinable, man. This is our thing. We'll be all right. 75,000 people on Refinable. Refinable coming out today. Excellent. I like the people that hit me up with a pre-sale. Yes, guys, there is a pre-sale. If you are an ultimate, you got to take a picture of your of your Patreon, like of being in Patreon. Show me that you're in it, and send me your DM. If you don't take a picture, one guy did the right thing. One guy took a picture of his thing. Here's another dude did the right thing. I see the DMs, man. I see you guys. If you've done a pre-sale already, let someone hang out. You know what I'm saying? So check it out. Let's see what's going on in the Telegram. This is for Refinable, okay, guys? Put this on your radar. If you don't know about it, now you know. All right? This is going to be a big deal. Refinable. So we see they have like 78,000 people in here. Contract address, time, and date for sale yet to be announced. Wow, we're fiending, man. Fiending. Wow, we could buy. I think it's gonna be on pancakeswap already. So I like to see that. That's a good deal. It's a good deal. All right. So there we are, man. Shout out to everybody. If you haven't, please, okay? Please check out my video on the crypto lifestyle. Yes, that's right. I'm on another channel now, doing my thing, breaking it down. Look, there I am right there. Boom. Look, 2.6K views on the crypto lifestyle video, doing its thing, getting pumped up. Yo, pump this video up, my friends, please. Please do us a favor. I want him to realize that my community is strong. Show him how strong the lifers are. Blow all. I want us to get more likes than all the other YouTubers, even though it's not a competition, but he put all of us out there. I'd like to show him the strength of my community, guys. So please run this up, man. Watch it 5 or 6 times. Just keep going to it. give me a bunch of run-ups on this. Get me to 5,000-6,000 on this video. That would be amazing. I would be so blessed. Much respect, man. If you guys could do that for me, much respect. So, and also these two projects are unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right? And believe me, I believe there's going to be some pre-sale action. So, actually, there was some pre-sale action on these. Interesting. So, stay tuned for this, guys. I'll have more exclusive stuff coming your way. All right? Especially if you join my 99 Patreon, get exclusive pre-sales. Don't be scared about what's going on with Bitcoin and let it kind of make you hide and not do what's going on. There's still a crypto bull market going on. There's still a lot of opportunity going on. And if you get in your head too much, you will miss out. You will miss out. So you got to stay strong. You got to push forward. Don't let this stuff get to you guys. Don't let this stuff wreck your fate, wreck your ideas or what you're thinking about, right? So Refinable, man, set your alarms. We'll be having a flash AMA in our Telegram channel at 1:30 UTC. You want to know what surprises we've got prepared? You'll just have to wait a tad bit longer. Refinable. Honestly, you should just do your own research. Can't answer your question. Wow, this is going to be crazy, man. I can't wait for this. Refinable. It's going to be hot. It's going to be one of the biggest projects out there. So Refinable, putting it on your radar, letting you guys know that I'm definitely going to be getting into Refinable the second I have a chance. I am not going to sleep on that project. Not at all. Not at all. It'd be a bad idea, in my opinion. Can you look at PancakeSwap? A lot are coming out with price impact too high. It's because of the migration to V2. Then guys, take a break then. Take a break. Take a break. Tip jar, man. Thank you for telling me that. Well, if you're one of my $99 Patreons, then I would be worried if you weren't in my Telegram groups. So if you're in my Telegram groups, just Telegram me. And yeah, PM me, man, on Telegram. Telegram's the easiest way because I'm going to assemble a room on Telegram. I'm going to take everybody that DM me. I'm going to put you in a room. There's work for me whenever these things come out. Like, I actually have to be working. So just so you know, it's not easy for me too. So the easier you guys make it, the better it is for me. Oh, just so everybody knows, the pre-sale is not for Refinable. I wish it was. That would be amazing. It's a different pre-sale, but it's a good pre-sale. So, you know, there's been talks of a 7x guarantee, you know, just things of that nature. But, you know, nothing is guaranteed. Shout out to Phoenix Rain, my dude. Coming on in there, man. Much respect. Much respect. Let's take a look at how ETH is faring. Right now, Bitcoin's doing all right. 49.5. If we can get back above 50K, we're going to be in good shape. And honestly, I'm not too stressed about it. I see hidden bullish divergence. We're low on the weekly. Things look pretty good to me. I know. I'm being optimistic in this time. Last night was the bloodbath. It was hard to watch. It was ugly. It was nasty. My account lost over $100,000 easy. Easy. Triple figures. You know, I lost what people make in a year at a good job in about a day, you know, but it's okay. I'm here with you guys riding through the storm, man. And I'm honest in talking about it. BNB doing its thing, but look, that's a double top on BNB. Clear. That would be a sign for me to get out of BNB. I have to, like, to me, I don't know. That is a clear double top. Let's take a look at this. Try to act like it's not. I don't know. A lot of times that's a sign. I don't want to make people rush to sell their BNB. And again, you know, but interesting. And that would coincide with this previous area. That will put it back at 350. It is oversold on the daily. What are we seeing here? Oversold on the 4-hour. Could be an elongated. It does look like a double top on the daily, though. No bearish divergence, which is good. So just watch BNB. Make sure it holds this level or this trend line. We're going to be watching it really closely just to make sure it doesn't react like a... Because people could see it just like I saw it, and that means they'll start to react on it and sell it off. And I still think it's a strong coin. It could hit 350. It'll bounce back in like 2 weeks to 400, and then it'll continue to the upside. Like, it won't be a big deal to me per se, but it is in a technically bearish pattern. And you guys know me. When I see the patterns, I play them. But if it can hold that trend line and accomplish the idea that this is in this kind of position, that would be that's why we call these aggressive buys. Right now, it's crazy, but that's an aggressive buy for BNB. See that? That's a very aggressive buy for BNB right there. Yo, you'll get in refinable pre-sale. You already know I'm gonna. Oh yeah. All right, look at that. So I think this could go do something like this. Right? Came down, and we just want to see it come back up, do its thing, break out, maybe do a retest, and then continue to the upside. And this gives me a target of $1,000 for BNB. So we're either bearish and resetting our pattern, or we're making our way through consolidation in a beautiful bull pennant, right? It's a bit of a cup and handle also too. Not really, but it's the half a handle that we talk about here. So BNB looking pretty strong right now, and also oversold. 1 hour I think is, 1 hour is overbought. Tells us that we're probably going to double top. I hope the double top at least takes us up here. So this is what you hope for. This loops up, and we loop up to the top of the pattern, and then when we come back down, that's the 1 hour reset. And then they're all going to be pretty much in our favor, because at that point, this could even do something like this, and then the daily's just ready to rock. I mean, it's like, it's already kind of spent its time, and it's making its way above the dotted line, even after this huge consolidative double. That's really interesting too, right? And that was a double bottom. And so play these double bottoms. And that's why when I see the M, it worries me a little bit. But stochastics, which really hold you down and are a very, very good indicator of what's going down, are telling us that BNB is strong right now. And you can see BNB, one of the strongest coins in this whole entire dump. BNB holding very, very strong compared. Had we just had all our money in BNB, it was like a stable coin. It did very, 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 very well. So I'm happy that I have a majority of my wealth on the BSC and in the whole pancakeswap BNB family. That really held me down because I didn't see, and not only that, but then I'm getting significant gains out of my bunny farm, out of my yield farm's just continuing to pay me, like on a red nasty day, still making money enough to pay all the bills, to live life, right, to do what I need to do. So God bless pancakeswap, man. I'm really serious. Like, God bless them, man. They changed my whole outlook on life. pancakeswap. So pancakeswap helps this channel stay alive because they pay passive income. Like, without them, I'd be, it wouldn't be as easy. So shout out to, it's not easy. It's actually not easy, but it makes the struggle better. It makes the struggle better, right? It makes it more manageable. Now we're going to go on dip hunting. R going to dip down again today. What do you guys think? BNB has been holding well through the bloodbath. We'll take a look at R and see what's going on with R, which is pirate dollars. Okay, so R took a nasty dip. Got bought back up, though, pretty heavily. Now it's holding position. It's a very hard TA to kind of look at. Someone could look at it like this, though. There we go. Light in the Dark donated $5 in Super Chat. Man, I can get back confused if I can get back into Bunny or not. Do I need to wait to stake Bunny or Cake or just LP tokens? I'm as confused as you because I haven't seen anything about Bunny say anything. So we got to go to Bunny and look at their medium and take a look. We'll take a look together because I have to look too, and I honestly don't know. Where fluctuation is huge. I don't know what you mean, man, but did you get any Strike Coin? 1 billion total supply on BSC. Never heard about Strike Coin. Now it's on our radar, guys. Strike Coin. So what happens? You guys say something, 2 days later, the thing is like, so this could possibly be a head and shoulder pattern. It's not perfect, but it's possible, right? So, we'll see. See it there? I gotta bend my mind to really get in there. But wow, Pirate Chain did very, very well. I'm very upset I missed out on this thing because I like privacy and I should have known it was gonna do well because that's what the crypto space is all about, right? It's kind of what it's formed out. I don't like how high that volume is with falling prices. We should have a reversal, but we did get oversold here on the 5 minute. Yada yada yada. 4 hour though. 4 hours extremely overbought, right? Has one more run up, it says though, to go. And the daily, I don't really think you can use it. The daily's still kind of, it's pointing to the upside. Interesting. I'm seeing some momentum here that this wants to continue up. But I believe even if it goes up a little more, it is going to come back down maybe. And this would probably be my next entry if I was lucky enough. About 8. Wow, it went all the way to 11, 12. Higher than yesterday even. I mean, on the stream, had we bought it, we would have made even more money. 50% gains. But this thing is up 2,000% since we talked about it. What about Mushroom? What about it? Sounds interesting, to say the least. Did you get into Strikecoin? 1 billion total supply on Binance. Nah, I never looked at Strikecoin. Shout out to everyone that super chats in a bearish day. Shout out to all you guys, because you guys, respect to all you guys. Respect to every one of you. Much respect. Much respect. Okay, now we're going to go coin hunting. All right, guys. What I do is I'm going to go look at the daily and the 4 hour. First, I look at the 4 hour. And we're going to look for things that look down in the dumps. I mean, BNB is one of them. Looks like it's a really nice buy right now. I know you don't believe me, but so right there I put a call out. And it's a strong coin because it did well. So even though we had that aggressive buy, remember that. But that's how we make the monies. That's how we make the monies. So, for everyone here on the channel, for everyone that says, I'm a $25 lifer, but we don't, I wish I was a ultimate lifer and all this nonsense. For anyone that says anything that's not just completely positive, here is your zones, all right? All right? Check this out. And you want to be, if you can, between here and here. Buy zone is in there. This is the buy zone. Okay. Thank you so much, Troy Ziegler, for the super chat. In these tough times, man, I really think you guys could hold me down. Like, me and my wife keep asking, like, will you be able to, will this be sustainable in the bear market? Will I be able to kind of do my YouTube business throughout the bear market? And I'm like, I think we can. I do believe we can. I do believe we can get there, man. I have faith. I have so much faith. So there's my buy zone. Shrink it down right into it. So there's the buy zone, man. Thank you so much for that super chat. Look, we got it nice in the middle. I don't have to duck anymore. And it goes right into my cup. Yeah, let me get some of those. Oh, I swallowed one. That would be cool if I could make another little ball come out of my mouth. That would have been interesting. I should have done something weird. If BNB falls, then cake falls. That's kind of possible in a way. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. Much respect to all you guys. Help you get your pizza for the fam. Yo, shout out to Crypto Greg, man. You're the man, dude. You're the man, dude. I want to hang out with this guy. I don't know who this guy is, but he interests me. This Crypto Greg guy. So there's the buy zone, right? And technically it's, you want to be in the triangle. Technically, obviously. So, but from this low, my opinion is to get it around this area. 506. All right. I'll be watching for you, lifer. So, and that's the aggressive buy. Okay. We're going to spend some time right now. It's 10:57. We're going to spend about a half an hour looking for really good coins that I think are going to help us all out. So, this is what it is about. Now, this is an aggressive buy. Why? Because, that was a possible double top. We could be bearish. Things could be go down, down, down. So, stop loss has to be very key here. Right? We want to play from a position of strength, but we don't want to eat the possible bearish pattern. So that's why this is an aggressive move right now at the present moment. Good things in nature, though, right there is we have the 200-day moving average, which holds strong support. So the stop loss can be right here below this line. Stop loss below that line, okay? And just because it's bearish doesn't mean we can't find a trade. You see what I'm saying? Doesn't mean we can't find a trade. And while Carl the Moon opens up a short on Bitcoin and tells you go to use Bybit, and he's a nice guy, he really is, but his intentions are not that nice. Gets many a beginner wrecked on Bybit, and he makes a lot of fees on that. But he's a good guy, man. I shouldn't hate. I don't. That's rude of me to hate on anybody. He's got good TA, and he donated 150,000, and he helps the space because people learn a lot, right? So he's out there every day. So everyone that's out there every day, I gotta respect because they're helping YouTube, and they're helping me. Someone might find him and then find me. So respect. What's all that sound? And there's going to be our target for BNB, which is $1,000 BNB, man. I mean, and it's a great project to hold. You know that you're in something that everybody needs and everybody wants, right? So, boom. You know, I always keep BNB during a bull run. It's like a must-have. It's a must-have, right? So there's a call right here on the channel. And what I do is I still put it out to the calls because some people aren't here, right? Not everybody gets to be here all the time. I send it out to Twitter too, once a couple of times a day, a couple times a week. I send out a chart to Twitter just so, you know, just people know I'm out there doing my thing. Doing my thing. We're going to keep running through these calls too, and we're going to keep it moving. So shout out to everyone here that's sharing their most precious asset with me, and that's their time, man. Pricing now $10 will possibly be $100. When someone says 10x, does that mean 10 times the amount? Yes, that's what they mean. Bitboy Crypto, he says everything is gonna moon. Yeah, that's what he does, man. Can you look at Bonfire? I'll be watching you for life. Thank you so much, man. Much respect. Much respect. Google moderators. What is he talking about? DGTX. We'll take a look at that too. We'll take a look at DGTX for sure. Thank you for everyone who super chatted today, man. Much respect to all of you guys. Unbelievable. 3333 too. 10 pound, man. I love you guys. I want a super chat deep dive though. Someone give me. That's what I look forward to. It's like I get excited because I get a little dopamine because I'm like, okay, cool. I made some money, and then I'm like, all right, cool. Oh, look, Peter Schiff raves his ugly head. Let's see what he says. See what Peter Schiff says. I just love to read his tweets. Midway dip, man. Right on schedule. Biden shakeout. It's possible, right? McAfee saying anything. And McAfee sitting in prison, man. No, he hasn't said anything in a while. You know, you never know. We can get the word. I don't want to get that word, you know? I don't want to get that. I don't even want to say it. Looking for the biggest BSC whale. Smartoshi Chimoto. You're funny, man. Flooring coming today. Wait till you see the crib, man. That's awesome, man. I'm excited, bro. I can't believe it. How much is it going to be to rent, man? Maybe I rent it for the month. I'm honestly, let me know how much you guys are going to rent it for a month. How much you going to rent it for a month? Because I need a place to stay, man. What if you rented it to me, man? It'd be crazy, right? You probably want, man. But just like, talk to me later, man. Honestly, like 10 stacks, 15 stacks. You never know. Maybe we could work something out, man. America was founded by rugged individuals who created, come on, Peter. July 6th, pinned tweet. Just proclaim that under current capital law and Bitcoin are tax-free. He said that Joe Biden administration may change that and treat gains on Bitcoin similar to gains on stocks. Kramer blocked me, so someone needs to clue him in. Did Jim Cramer really say that? He doesn't know that. Now that Bitcoin is back below 50K, I think it's time for Anthony Papagliano to tweet out 1K milestones on the way down the way he did on the way up. Man, what? He's going to eat his words, bro. I can't wait to eat that tweet on him. Take a picture of that tweet so I have it. I'll store it in my Peter Schiff just complete abomination files, right? Anyway. I'm serious though. Let me know because I wanted to go to the vineyard and kick it. I just need good internet and a place near the boat. I mean, it will be right near my boat. It will be awesome. I heard bear market is a great time to accumulate, so I'm grateful to you for the next year of improving my trading skills. I love you guys, man. I love you guys. You guys are amazing, man. You guys are amazing. So that means I'm not going anywhere, no matter what happens. You guys got me. Cake holding 25 is just a beautiful thing. It's just a beautiful thing. And honestly, nothing can go down forever. We've had a few bad days, right? This week was tough. And honestly, despite this week being so tough, Safe Moon saved the day with some of the biggest gains we've ever seen, changing my whole look on life. And I already had it in a crazy look on life, but it just really blew up, right? By Patreon, once I materialize the six figures soon. Supreme K. All right, so check it out. There's a good call right now. Now, I'm not even going to talk about 1 inch anymore, man. Come on, 1 inch. Taking a dip all the way down there. Did it go into the threes? It really did. 388. Disgusting. It didn't hit the stop loss. This trade has just been like... And look, this is what worries me about BNB because this is what I'm saying right here. This is what BNB's doing right now. It's in a bit of the M pattern, I didn't do the side M there, but there's an and then that's the measured move, and then we just did a dump city. Wow. Truly impressive 1 inch. Is going to be one of the best projects, I'm telling you, but no one believes me. They're like, come on, man. This has been the worst trade of our lives. And it has. It's been tough. It's been a very tough trade. But to me, look, back in the pattern, possible buy zone for 1 inch. I hate to say it, but that's where you would accumulate 1 inch. I'm not going to put out a trade on it anymore because I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings. It's I'm still in it. I'm not going to sell my 1 inch. I know it's going to be up to like a $50, $60 coin. I believe $30 is going to come. The exchange is going to rip. Ethereum's going to have lower fees. The summer's going to be great. I have faith. A lot of faith too. So things will be okay. Things will be okay. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you for coming on and show me some super chats. Let's talk. Let's get into it. Let's not get so stagnant. Let's get the energy moving and shaking. We can still pump it up. We can still feel it. We can still do what we need to do, right? Okay. Shout out to all my sessions today. I got some tutoring sessions. If you're here on the live, shout out to you. Thank you so much. Can't wait to see you, each and every one of you. I really look forward to teaching. It gives me a reason to be alive, a reason to be here. So thank you so much for making me have a purpose in life. Yeah. Shake it, baby. Shake it. Okay, so Aave. I want to talk about Aave. One of my favorite coins in the game. All right. To me, just coming back down again to an aggressive buy near the bottom of the pattern. Right? So look at this consolidation for Aave. Just beautiful. And to me, it's just another part of life as it does its thing. And these are the bowl. 1, 2, 3 sections of the bowl. That's a very good price to buy right there. So just putting that out there. 325 for Aave. Looking really, really nice. Oversold, obviously, on many time frames. The 1 hour is still a little hot for some things. We did our bounce. We did get our V-shaped recovery on a lot of these just off the lows. But so watch for the 1 hour to kind of do its thing, curl out. Today's kind of a mill day. I'd wait out. I would just slowly accumulate things here and there. And let's just see, there's probably always a coin pumping. There's always something doing. So paid starting to kind of make a bit of a move here. So paid starting to pop, breaking this resistance. We'll see once paid can get above this area here. There's a bit of resistance there and right there. Paid can start to make a move. This is against the ETH pair, obviously, though. Nimic, my old little coin, did a beautiful V-shaped recovery. So look how much you could have made on Nimic on this little bounce here. 20% gains. Not too bad. XRP down. Taking a little bit of a move. Waves coming back up in there, holding 5. So waves, look at the waves. Look at the double bottom on waves. I mean, that's a clear double bottom to me. But look, that was a shoulder, head, and a shoulder. Definitely was an inverted head and shoulder. It hit the bottom. It's funny how this had its own bearish pattern that then fit into the overall idea with Bitcoin dumping, which is very interesting, right? It's like, because this said it was going to happen anyway, and that's what did happen for waves. Back in the pattern for a lot of these coins, but not breaking the trend, as you can see. So good time to get into waves is the bottom of the trend line here. Every coin is in the buy zone at the moment. Would you prefer 1 or 2 coins above all others? That's what I'm saying. I'm looking at Atom BTC. This is my trade. Everybody knows me, knows I've been in this trade for a long time, holding it down. And now we have a bit of an inverted look. Shoulder, head, shoulder. And that could be a trend. And you know, a lot of times when we see something, right, we see it all over. Possible inverted head and shoulders, in my opinion, breaking to the upside. So that is your buy zone. Just cracking above the 200-day moving average on the 1 hour. I like to see that. It's crazy because I keep deleting my work, resetting it, and all that, and it keeps like keeping it, which it's cool, I guess, in one way. But you know, your general thoughts about Soj, would appreciate it, boss. I like Soj and I'm in Soj. I do hold a bag of Soj, right? So like I delete the work, and you know, and then it just keeps adding more work, which didn't always happen, but we'll see. So we could do this too and not negate any movement. And to me, Aave is just beautifully near the trend line. I mean, these are aggressive buys. So I am going to have to put out a trade for Aave because it's one of my favorite coins, and I believe it's going to do some serious damage at one point. So there's your aggressive buy zone for Aave right there. It really is. I mean, that's aggressive buy, but hey. You got to take advantage of these times. This is where we have to continually add. I want to take a look at the fear and greed index too. Just see what's going on with that. See how it feels. See how it smells. What's going on with you, fear and greed index? Hopefully there's some fear. We're still in greed though. Like we're not even in any fear. Like it's kind of crazy, right? It'll come. I hope we were in. Maybe it bounced up again. But look, I mean, at least we got low. Resetting it a little good is okay. Fear and greed index. We were extreme greed, so it's another thing. If you sell every time you're in extreme greed, good things will happen. Look at DGTX. Your general thoughts about Soj. Every coin in the buy zone at the moment. Would you prefer 1 or 2 coins? I know people are getting used to Bitcoin dumps. That's even the newbies are like, whatever. Bitcoin dumps is what it is. Down 18% in a week though. That's a dump, man. That's a dump. And you can go here and look at gainers and losers for the day too, which is always fun for me to do. Kind of like doing that. Learn. I like earn. Earth token coming out. What is this Earth token? Another one of these tiny. I like looking at gainers and losers. Rio is up the biggest. Themis, 8 hours. Pasta Finance doing pretty well. Tsunami Finance. Monero V, which I have no idea what it is, but that's interesting. Shipping, Global Village, Ecosystem, Saturn V, Conceal, Master Contract. And some of these have no volume. I mean, you got to be careful. Like, they're up big, but like how, you know? Like they could be 1,000 people. Pirate Chain, though. 59 million in volume. Wow, Pirate Chain back. This thing is hot. This thing is hot. We knew about it before it popped, too. We knew all about it. And boom, man. I hope someone took the call on the channel. I hope somebody out there looked at it because we missed it. And we talked about it. And that gets my goat a little bit because I'm a pirate. And I should have just bought it based off being a pirate. You know what I'm saying? Any mods out there, man? Any mods out there, guys? Come on. Help me out, man. Help me out. You see what's going on in that chat. Anyway, really sad I missed R. Me too, man. Me too. Me too. Well, I'm in 7 figures and still holding. Yeah, me too, man. What are you going to do? 7 figures and still holding. I'm not in... Yeah. No, yeah. Okay, yeah. All right. I'm in 6 figures and still holding. Thank you very much, man. Much appreciated. Every coin in the buy zone. Thanks, Kevin. Much appreciated, man. Speak on Moon Boys. Well, Moon Boys is interesting, right? I did a video on it. It's cool they had a bunch of celebrities talking about that. Belfort talking about it, right? The Wolf of Wall Street. Hey, you Moon Boys. Let me tell you something, Moon Boys. You got one chance in life. You got one chance. You got to go 110,050 freaking percent. All right? And you want to remember that you were the best in the bull run, and you did it. So I want to see it on a big exchange in 90 days. Oh, you guys are done. He's just funny, man. Wait for Thunderbirds. T-Bird just got out, and it can moon. Interesting. What do you mean? Oh, it just came out? Tam is here, too. Yeah, shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you for coming on in. Thank you for hitting me up. Thank you for cleaning that crazy chat up. I didn't know what he was saying. He was like, go after what? Did anyone know what he asked about, though? It might be worth looking at. Lifer, do you do anything with BCH? Yeah, I used to swing trade it, hang out with it. I like it. But, Bitcoin Cash is Bitcoin Cash. I think it's good to have some Bitcoin Cash in stashed away, honestly. Can't hurt. Can't hurt. People think it's a good thing. Like, they buy it, because it has the Bitcoin name. SafeMoon's starting to make its way on out here. Starting to show that it has some buying pressure. I like what we're seeing for SafeMoon right now. So far, so good for SafeMoon. A lot of crazy stuff going on with SafeMoon. KNC, Kyber Network, took a beat down. That's a bearish retest. Tried to get back into this trend line. Could not. Fell back down below the trend line, actually. So, tough times. Again, I'm doing a pre-sale. If anyone wants to get into the pre-sale, you need to be okay, so check this out. Ant down. I mean, every coin is down hard, right? But you don't want to keep catching a falling knife. So in my opinion too, we don't know, right? There could always be more downside. I play the market like I don't know the market, right? You guys look to me for advice. I look at the market every day to piece together how we're gonna make our way through it, right? Can you look at GRT? It is getting dumped. Let's take a look at GRT right now. 131 is not too bad of a dump. I mean, that's a good price for GRT. Honestly, it went down to 118, 110. It did get dumped though. I'm with you, man. I mean, everything's getting beat down to the ground, right? So, yikes, man. Yikes. Maybe if I took off that star, it won't save it. I'm wondering about that. Amazing, too, because it was in this downtrend, fought it really hard, broke through the downtrend again, which is crazy. Established itself in a bigger channel now. You could say it's a giant flag. That's the best I can do for it. But, yeah, I mean, it did break this hard support. Now it's bearish retesting that area. May come back down all the way here to $1 again. I think they just want a 10x on this, so they want to get it cheaper, man. Check out Safe. STMX is getting destroyed. Wow, man. That's crazy. That's why it's good to have a stop loss, guys. A lot of people don't want to use one. They always want to fight me with it, and we're in a great bull market, but I mean, that trade went almost. This is what it was like in the bear market. This is what it's like regularly trading. You don't get all your targets. Like, you see how I'm hitting my targets? You barely get any of them. So in a regular time, you're gonna see me doing this. Like, maybe 2 years from now, we're sitting in the middle of our time and we're trading. This is the target. And look, that's what we hit, and we were it. So to be conservative, you just take the length of the back of the triangle. Now in a bull market, you can take the pole. That changes though. That's not always the same. So remember that. That changes with time. Buying SLM. What do you think of this NFT? Not sure. Bitcoin test 60K and got rejected for now. At least it tested 60K, man. That's a good thing. At least it tested 60K. I got it on the side here. We'll see what's going on. Wow, but it bounced hard off of it. Let's see. Look at it on like the 5-minute chart. See what it was doing. Formed this inverted head and shoulder for sure, right? Shoulder, kind of a head, shoulder. Just tested 50K, you meant. Yeah, I tested 50K right now, 50K 220 about an hour ago. Bounce, look, what rejected it? The same thing that it bounces off of, the 200-day moving average. You see that? So we just got to make our way. What I'd like to see here is the 21 curving up. We're seeing moving averages starting to curve. We want to get that golden cross, the 50 crossing the 200 on the 5-minute. It doesn't mean that much, but we want to get it. And just want to see the price break it through, man. Wow, got rejected hard right now, getting another sell-off. Just went down another 1,000 from 50 in the last 15 minutes, all the way back to 49K. Tough day, man. They're trying to rip your heart out today. Today's the day you go for a walk, man. You put it down. At the end of the live stream, you know, obviously you watch my live stream. And if you have tutoring, you take your tutoring session. But today's the day you put it down and you walk away. You know what I'm saying? And, yeah, you know, you don't always have to be in a trade. You can notice that I wasn't posting trades down your neck the last 2 days, 3 days. Just took it easy, you know. Lifer, working hard during these bloody days. Appreciate it. Can you check out Alpha? We'll take a look at Alpha, man. I like people that add a nice comment when they ask for something. Those people are smart individuals. They seem to have figured me out. They know how to butter me up to get what they need. And I like it. I like it. I like it. I like the psychology because there's a thought process behind it. It's like, and it shows that this is like something this person does as a habit. So a smart guy. So Alpha's still in the buy zone, right? We still have a trade for Alpha. Let's take a look at it on the 4-hour. Still have a beautiful trade for Alpha. Sitting in the buy zone. Take profits all the way up there. So nothing has changed with this call. Nothing has changed with this call. Still sitting in a beautiful buy zone. Stop loss still where it should be. And you know what? If we didn't hit the stop loss already, high probability this is going to be a beautiful trade. Big setup coming for Alpha, man. Don't sleep on Alpha. I like what we see here for Alpha. So stay strong. Alpha looking really beautiful. That was the easy one for me. Wish it was a super chat. Would have been nice. No, I'm just funny. I know who's deleting Dukin's. That's funny. It's not funny. It's just like, why is that happening, right? Okay. Beautiful, beautiful day, man. Just a little, it's beautiful out there. Just a little blistery. Definitely want to go for a walk, though. Get out today, man. Adam holding 18 on the USDT pair. Took a beat down, too. Everything really back to these trend lines, though, which we're fine. You know, if this had just done this and stayed in the trend line, we all be hunky-dory. So it's okay. You know, I always say that. Like, if it breaks out of a pattern, breaks back in, but it stays in that pattern, then everything's okay, man. Everything is okay. Right? Bake down at 114 really depresses me because we had this beautiful run up for Bake, went all the way to 224. Thought things were kind of changing for Bake. Thought Bake was really going to start doing something amazing. Had to form this bit of a cup and handle, right? And now that's what we see for Bake. And came all the way back down to test this low area here again. Bake's struggling, man. Bake's struggling. And we've been holding Bake for a long time, you know. And finally, see, I thought Bake was going to kind of stay up with Cake. You know, like Cake did its thing, but Bake did not, you know. So, watching Cake getting a little sell-off in the last couple hours, last 4 hours, down from $26.60 down to $24.60, $2 sell-off for Cake. People get, you know, a little skittish, take some profits. CHG and CHR both fell right out of my, you know, bam. They fell right. It's like they knew where my stop loss was. Bam, nailed us. Kicked us right out. But that's a good thing. Look, you stop loss not too far from the buyback. So you buy back in, get the V-shape, pays back for the stop loss. And that's another thing you want to, you know. But the TA was solid, man. And everything looked pretty good. Thank you so much for that super chat. Much respect. Or I guess it was a subscriber, right? Got wrecked on Litecoin yesterday. I was wondering what your thoughts were on it. Thank you, Lifer. Appreciate what you do daily. You guys are smart, man. Now you guys are listening. Gotta catch some sun outside. Have a blessed day, Lifer. See you tomorrow. Shout out to JK Animation. Get on out there, man. Thank you so much for being here. Much appreciated. You stopped your sentence on presale. Just hopped in. Please continue. You're telling the truth and warning the unsuspecting. Don't apologize for that. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you guys for jumping on in. Really appreciate it. Means the world to me that you would spend this bloody day, this bloody Friday with me. All 149 people watching. Much respect. Did we get the likes up to 100 people? Yes, we did. You guys are the best. You guys are the best, man. Hacker Dennis, Dan has been a blessing to me like a dream. Oh, come on, man. You're such a loser. Can you kindly check DGXBTT? It's in the dump. Something you look for. Your awesome TA and expertise are needed on it. Many thanks. Thank you very much. Number one coin to buy is Cake. Passive income, man. Yeah, Harvey, tell him, man. Tell him. Could you please check out DOT? Love all the good work, lifer. Yeah, no other coin really gives you enough to really live off of. Cake really can. Are you getting 3%? You're getting 3% when I close that home. Are you kidding me, man? That'd be crazy, bro. Alpha, I keep stacking. I love it. You will, man. You will. Don't make my man work for free, chat. Yo, you're the man. Shout out to Kevin Tan for the $5 super chat. Much respect, man. Thank you very, very much. You're the man, dude. Can always count on Kevin, man, to hold it down. You know, what a good dude, man. Shout out to Kevin Tan. Much respect. And we did it, man. Even on a bear market, man. We did it, man. Much respect, man. Kind of look at DGTX. We're going to take a look at that. But I really want to do deep dives for you guys. I got to find something for you guys to kind of bite and chew on. Let you guys know that it's still a good day. There's still some things we can get in. Thank you for being with us every single day, up or down. Shout out to everybody here. No, we're not taking days off regardless of this, man. I know how it is, man. We're all in this together. All of us, our accounts are down. It is what it is. We're going to fight through it. We're going to take a look at DGTX for the BTC pair on KuCoin, man. Digitex futures on KuCoin. Okay, let's take a look at Digitex futures. Not too bad where it's at. Low liquidity, though. I don't like... That worries me a lot when I see candles like that. Very low liquidity. Okay? Like, look at this. Very, very, very strange. But we had our low. We're testing old Fibonacci levels, as we can clearly kind of see that. Like so. Okay? Came to the 618, though, and bounced off. We're in that hot spot. I mean, we were down there at 706. Now we're in the 618. We are forming an uptrend. You can say there is an uptrend. That's a higher low than that, right? Higher low than that. So we just need to make sure we don't break this lower low. We don't want to make sure we keep this low and continue to the upside. I like where we're at. It is extremely oversold. Digitex futures on KuCoin. Looking pretty nice. It is in the falling wedge. The 4 hours interacting with a 200-day moving average. Okay. Right there. It's a good sign. We are below the 200-day on the pattern. We'd like to be kind of around it or playing with it. We're below the 200, right? So on the monthly, Digitex is great. On the monthly, you can't even see anything on the monthly, man. And too small to even use the weekly, so I don't agree with that statement, but it is, you know, I have to leave it there. I'm not going to say anymore. I love you, Hadouken, so I'm not going to say anymore. So check it out. Bit of a cup and handle too as well. And maybe I'm looking in the wrong place, so you're probably right. Because usually you are whenever I do this, you usually correct me and then you're right. So skilling it there, that should be a breakout from high to low. Digitex futures on BTC. Yeah, not too bad. And honestly, it didn't really dump like everything else. It's not like in a huge red candle. So we got some confluence here. We got 618 bounce off, holding out the 0.5 Fibonacci level. If we can get above that, that would be great. See if we can break it on out. It's in this low bowl, right? Like we talk about, if you can put it in a bowl, it's in a giant bowl. And it's breaking on out of the right side of the bowl, which is a good sign. I see what you're saying right here. This could possibly be a very, very good buy. Play from a position of strength for sure. Something that really can't go down much more on you, right? So let's take a look at Balancer. What are you doing, Balancer? How are you feeling? Okay, Balancer did hit my target. That trade went exactly as planned, right there to the target. Look, almost made it. Played some games, hit the target, dumped again. Shout out to Yaks, man. Lifer, appreciate the work. Labs on the month. GTX is great. Thank you guys so much. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for being here. Super chat gets you a deep dive, or if you just want to like actually pay for like some good TA instead of acting, you know, then I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I should just say that like 10 times in a row and like not say anything. Like, People be like, is he a bot? Like, I think the bot broke, you know? Anyway, that is the bottom of the trend line. That is your aggressive buy right there for Balancer, all right? Double bottom that didn't really play out. We're below moving averages now on the 4-hour too as well, which is not a great sign. We're kind of in this muck. But I'm telling you, man, the muck is the best place to buy if you can stomach it. But you got to be able to stomach the muck. So it's a good place to buy right now for Balancer. Also look at some important resistance lines. And it's kind of like, it's got some confluence there as well. We got this little chunk here. And this little chunk here is what's giving us that support right there, as you can clearly see. Circle it out. You know what I'm saying? You got to learn your support and resistance, guys. It's very important. You got to learn your support and resistance. You're gonna make me talk like Peter. Hey, Lois, I think I'm gonna grow a beard. Hey, Lois, hey, Chris, get in your room before I put my foot up your ass. Everybody, we're gonna get in the car real slow while Meg's not looking. We're gonna leave Meg at the gas station. All right. Thanks for all you're doing for us, man. What are your thoughts on Taco Cat? K-Bomb. K-Bomb. Taco Cat, thank you so much for the $99 super chat. Much respect to you, man. Much respect to you. Thank you very, very much. What are your thoughts on Taco Cat? Let's take a look at Taco Cat and see what's going on. Taco Cat. Also, love to see a new name. Have never seen Kebab in the live stream. Love to see a new name. Please subscribe. Please hit the like button. Please join the Telegram. Get on in there. Become one of the lifers. Become one of us, man. We form a cool little group of people, and it's really pretty awesome. No profanity, no swearing, no negativity. Everyone's good to be each other, and if you're not, you're out. And honestly, we haven't had to kick a lot of people out. Of course, we block a scammer every once in a while, and someone that's coming in there and posting links and silly things like that. But for the most part, man, and we have good moderators. Everyone's pretty active in the group, so it's not like it gets left alone. Like today, I was in there for 1 second, deleted something that I didn't like to see, called it a day. Taco Cat. Taco Finance. Taco Swap. Taco Cat. Taco Cat. Just released a few hours ago on Reddit. Taco Cat on BSC Scan. All right. Taco Cat. All right. Just came out. Market cap. Okay. 40 seconds ago, 2 minutes ago. People buying it up. I see what's going on here. Taco Cat. Interesting. Does the guy jump on some Taco Cat? Lifer, you're the man. You give me positive vibes every day. Shout out to Mike B. You're the man. You give me positive vibes every day. I like your vibe, Mike B. Let's hang out one day, man. This is actually a very friendly community. No, I love this community. And you know what? I created it with my vibrational energy, and it surrounds you guys. It surrounds you guys in this nice little place. Safe token. Let's get safe with a safe token. So Taco Cat. And then we're going to also see something else about Taco Cat. Here's the contract address right there. Don't play yourself. Make sure you get it from a good source. BNB dropping to 497. You see there on the slip up. Taco Cat Finance on Etherscan. Token Sniffer. Newest tokens. Token Sniffer. I like Token Sniffer. It's interesting. Okay. Newest tokens. Airbud Golden Retriever. This is really weird. This is really weird. 1 hour ago. Because someone asked me he was going to start a coin, and I said, let's call it Golden Retriever. And there it is. The next day. It's just kind of weird. Safe X Space Chiba Finance. Safe Dog. Look at this. F Biden. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Look at that. Tax these nuts. That's hilarious. Hilarious. Amazing. Refinable. Look, there's the contract address right there. So it does have a contract address. 4 minutes ago. So we can get refinable. Interesting. Interesting. I don't know, though. It doesn't seem like it's out. Let's go. I got to go over Uniswap real quick. Token Sniffer, man. I like this thing. I like this thing. Add a folder. crypto deep dives. But I want this folder like outside. I want it right there. There it is, crypto deep dive, and I want to add this bookmark right here. Bookmark this tab in the crypto deep dives. Done. This is interesting, man. Satoshi Ino, Kishnu Ino, when they first came out 8 hours ago. We've known about these for a while though, so this is a little late to the party. Mishnu token, Dragon Lee, so much stuff. Teddy Dog. It's crazy. You could become Akita Uno, man. That blew up, right? That blew up. Teddy Dog. Wow. Disciplina. Satoshi. Elon Inu. Kidding me? Elon Inu, man. These guys are crazy. 5 hours ago. See, you don't get something that no one's been buying. You see that? Remove liquidity. You see this? Swapped exact method. You don't buy stuff like that. You don't buy any of this stuff, honestly. Look at this fat white girls. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. This is nuts, man. I never really looked at this. Check out Compound. Just sharing the love. Thank you, Lifer. Going to the $99 group soon. Thank you so much, CryptoCam, man. Much respect to the $99 pound, man. $99, man. The $9, man. Much respect. Thank you so much. Great impersonation. Could be a fake. Have to verify. Let's buy the coin that says bring back Trump. Bull Terrier, Anti-Doge, Nakara coin, Penny for Bit, Mac Dog, Space, Safe Space X, Chiba Finance, Chiba, Refinable, man. Yeah, that's probably the fake Refinable. It can't be the real one. But look, it's getting bought up pretty fast. 7 minutes ago, though. Nah, that's the swap token. Nah. Yeah, you're right. I don't think it could be it. Thank you so much for the super chat. Much appreciated, guys. It's 11:35 when the show ends, but we're going to kind of push it for another 15-10 minutes because, you know, guys, everybody needs a little love today, and I know it. I know it. Even I do. So that's why I'm here. I'm here because I love you guys, and I'm here because I need the love. Recently added coins, market cap, stable coins, Deracoin, Torpedo, Bribe, Busy DAO, Aura Silver, Le Monde, BSC Station. All right, someone's asking about BSC Station. We'll take a look at that too as well. Safe Token. We're going to take a look at Safe Token as well. BSC Station at 18 cents. $9 million, right? No market cap. Can't really see what's going on. What is up with BSC Station? Hit up that Telegram. Let's see what's going on with the Telly. 58,000 members. Wow. BSC Station. Oof. Hot to trot, to say the least. Interesting. BSC Station. Okay. Hey, man, really appreciate how positive you are on the up and down days. If and when you get the chance, could you do a little TA on Litecoin? Sorry for the spam, bro. Happy Friday. Wow, man. Much respect to you, man, for the perfect target. Much respect for you coming in strong and respectful, man. Hey, I'm all about second chances, man, right? I always give someone a second chance, man, right? We're not all perfect, bro. Building a full stack DeFi with NFT auction on Binance Smart Chain. Swap now, read the docs. NFT auction. BSC NFT Station SDK will standardize all NFT assets related to the use of auction feature, providing a clear set of tools, documentation, and rules to help fair and efficient auction buyers and sellers. BSC Smart Security. BSC is a smart security contract of BSC protocol based in the marketplace payment platform designed to make the NFT buying and selling of any good or service easy and protected. I want to do a bunch of voiceovers, guys, so if you can help me get my name out there as the voiceover guy, I would like to become the crypto man for your voice, for your coin. Basically, I would do any video and talk about that coin and be like, this is the coin to buy. And people be like, wow, I want to buy that coin because I like that guy's voice. So, yeah, I should put a reel out there and send it out to people and be like, I do crypto voiceovers, and I'll put it on Fibber. That's what I'll do, and I'll put a link out there. I'm going to try to do that, man. I'm going to make that a business. I wouldn't mind doing like 5 or 10 of those a day. You know, for a couple $100, whatever, you know, just banging them out. I've always wanted to do voiceovers. That Eclipse token that person was spamming before was flagged on Token Sniffer as a scam. Look at that, man. Look at that. Token Sniffer. So where we'll say whether it's a scam or not, though. Okay, word. Welcome to our mission to make DEX trading safer for exit scams, rug pulls, and hacks. This site maintains a list of known scam hacks and lets you search Ethereum BSC tokens and C tokens with similar contracts. You can also use it to find the newest tokens. We're going to add more features. Check back often and follow us on Twitter. Interesting. Consider donating. Copy the BSC. Word. I like that. Okay. Known hacks. Let's look at the known hacks for you guys. Scams and hacks. Puppy token. Unknown. Horde. Jigstack. Horde. Nothing we talked about here. Look. Shabazilla. Treasure box. They all look pretty weird. Jump frog. Puffin's paradise. Snoop. Doge. Safe shit. Oh man. Safe Sass. Melanie. Doge. They all look pretty scammy. Honestly. Golden Eno. Pug token. Nothing we talked about here, guys. Thank gosh. Moonweed. Ice cream. So nothing we talked about. Looks pretty clean to me. Tesla coin though. Interesting. Tokens never. Trending tokens right now. Dogebird, WeFund, Klitz Protocol. That's horrible. That's crazy. Gold Doge, Testnet, Komodo Finance, Taco Dog. You asked about Taco Cat. So these are trending. Newest tokens. Dogebird, WeFund, Klitz Protocol. This is like, come on, man. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, ladies. Anyone out there. I don't want to offend anybody, but this is just nuts. Date deployed April 23rd. Block, right? So click the copy. Safe Typhoon. Name symbol. Interesting. Alpha Andromedae. That's pretty cool. Andromeda. I like that. That's pretty interesting. Starshot. Similar token contracts. Interesting. Elon Protocol. Volcano. So this guy just makes tons of coins and sees which ones stick. I think people do that, right? Moon Protocol. Okay, we're going to take a look at Safe Token now. BSC Station, though, I want to see. I like this. I like this a lot. I think it's very interesting. I think it's going to do well. Token utility, swap, roadmap, investors. Spark. Look at that. Nice time to get some SRK, honestly. Let's go look at SRK. Shot on the dip, you know, like these projects, strong projects, buy them up today, man. Right? I mean, look at that. You won't. I don't think you'll get Spark Point that low again. Back at where it began, dude. That's kind of crazy. Took a full-on 100% dump all the way back to its original price, below 1 penny. I like this project though, and I think it's going to do well. Take a look at Shaw as well. Safe Haven. Right here on KuCoin. Took a nasty dump as well, right? Well, you know, so, I mean, this is what you have to do, man. You know, hit that Fibonacci level up. Trudge back to the game. Because the problem is they scare you out of these positions, and when you don't take advantage of these, you look back and you're like, wow, like that's really where I should have been buying. You know, that's where I should have been doing my thing. And it hurts, man. So, you know, as hard as it is, if we don't take advantage of these situations, we'll be in a worse spot. It's helpful to check out before what's going ahead with investment. Not to say this is 100% accurate, but it's good to know. Yeah, it's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. I'm with you on that. Like we you know, it's not everything we need, but it's better than nothing. Right? Meme coin doing its thing, right? Coming back up strong. Bitcoin Gold still really kind of seems to be kind of doing its thing. Got sold off hard, obviously, now, but still up 13%. YFI down, a lot of down tokens up in the game. Waves, one of the big tokens, holding strong against Bitcoin, making 14% against Bitcoin. You can see Waves in this beautiful bowl. It's kind of interesting. If you look at it on the Bitcoin pair, it's really just coming out of the bowl. So there's another idea there. Waves strong coin right now, right, on the Bitcoin pair. Kind of a good idea. Let's look at the one BTC trade that I've been pushing and that I've been getting in. How's it doing? And we got in around 200. All right, it recovered back pretty nicely. Would have been actually a good time to add to my trade at 147 sats, and I did not. Wish I did. I wasn't thinking about it. Dang. Because that would have been a beautiful dollar cost average into my trade. It would have kind of completed my trade, honestly. Had I had a $1,000 buy right there, it would have been beautiful. Already would have been up like 25% too, which would have been nice just to pad the losses on the other buy-ins. But they were around 200, 220. One is at 240. So, you know, would be nice to get another buy under 200 sats, right? So I think I'm going to go and add to the buy right now, even though it may not be the best buy. We make a dump again, and that's why I'm not going to deploy all my capital right now. I'm going to slowly build this position. It's going to be a $6,000 Bitcoin position, and I'm going to slowly add to it. I'm just going to slowly kind of chip away on it, okay? Wow, what a bloodbath, though. Wow. I mean, that wasn't a serious bloodbath. The count was at very, very high, doing very, very well, and almost everything down huge today. IOST going back to 4 pennies. I mean, after gaining such momentum. But don't worry, these altcoins, they make money fast. They jump back a lot quicker than we realize. So take a deep breath. Everything will be all right. We'll make it through this, guys. We will. We will. I'm going to make a smart trade right now. Again, as you can see, I continue to trade because I stick to my plan. And if you have a plan, then everything kind of makes sense. Regardless of what the market's doing, you're just kind of chip. You're letting the market help you get to your plan. If the market brings the price down closer to your plan, by all means, what a great thing, right? So look, we're extremely oversold. This is where you want to buy. This is where you want to get in. So I'm going to add to my 1 BTC trade, right? That's what we're going to do. We're going to add to the 1 BTC trade. Look, and we're down 187 and 117 in both of these. And that's fine. That's fine. Going to continue to add to the trade. 0.02 each time, right? And that gives us 3 more deployments of capital into the trade. It gives us 5 positions. So 0.02, we're going to go in at 196. We're going to take that. No stop loss, no take profit. I'm going to sell at the top. Somewhere here. I mean, I know where my take profit is, but I'm going to exchange. Once we start moving, I'll put it in. We'll go to the trade and I'll show you where the take profit is. But I'm just going to continue to add to 1 BTC, man, continuously. And then this is trade number 3 now. And these trades could take 2-3 months. It doesn't matter. I will see them through to the end until I get paid, right? Until I get paid. And that's how it's going to work. Band protocol back to 14. Band, man. Polkadot at least coming 31. Never thought I would see these prices again this low. Honestly, Theta $9, Zilliqua 15, still holding pretty strong. Harmony below that 1 penny again. Wow, man, they did us damage, bro. Phantom 30, Holochain back to a penny, man. They pounded us, man. They let us know who's boss real quick. They really did. They're like, oh, you guys think you're sweet? Oh, I'll let you know who's sweet. Pound you to the ground real quick. TVK taking a beating down to 30 cents. Are you kidding me? Like, a lot of these coins that were just retracing bad just took an absolute beatdown. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, right? These guys are funny, man. Got 275. I'm going to add. What I'm going to also do is I got like 175 sitting in Tether. I'm going to add to like a tiny trade, like a win or a BTT, right? Good time to add to these tiny coins too. So I'm going to make a trade right now on BTT. It's a little bit, it's not a lot, but it's better. You know, you got Tether sitting there, kind of might, you know, unless, maybe I want to use it. Maybe I want to deploy it. I might deploy it into a tiny coin. I sold the second top on trades. Nice luck. I can buy October, yeah. Safe Moon pushing up, man. What do you think about Dent? I like Dent, man. Dent's not bad. Dent ain't bad. I didn't get into Safe Tesla, no. Yeah, Klitz looks good, bro. It looks I never got into Safe Tesla, no. Total market cap dropped hard. Yeah, give us the opportunity to buy. Friday, breathe deep and step back day. Yeah, it has to be, man. 44K, go Bitcoin. Oh, man. Tezos back below $5. I know, right? You share 3 commas referral code. I would like to have the account there. Yeah, for sure, man. I love 3 commas, man. Makes it nice and neat and easy. So sweet. Let me look at my dashboard and find the referral. Invite friends. Oh, there it is. Oh. Taking a little time right here. And there's my referral link, bam, and I'll put it here. It's also in the description of the video. It says automate your trading. All my and it's in the description of all my videos, so check it out. Yeah, a bunch of cool links in my videos, guys. Might as well kind of plug these. So, and follow, go to this video right here, please. Run this up. If this doesn't get to 3,000, come on, guys. Look, he hired 4 YouTubers to make awesome YouTube videos, and I think they're really awesome guys. I love them all, but I want to get the most views of all of them. So run this up. Also, my channel's bigger than theirs, so run this up. Show them what the lifers can do. Today, just go to this video 10 times. If all 100 of you give me 1,000 views, we can do it, man. We can do it. Just go to this video 10 times, play it, and walk away. Run this up for me, guys. Please run this video up. Run this video up. Run that video up. What the? Dante, respect for showing up day in and out and keeping us all confident on the journey we are on. Shout out to Dante with the $55 pound, dude. Are you kidding me? You just changed the whole game, man. I was about to end the stream, and then, like, you made me like, damn, maybe I should stay on for... Just bought another hour. And you just bought another hour of my time. And it's funny, like, I work for 50 bucks an hour, man. 60 bucks an hour. I'll take it, right? I'm selling all my Bitcoin at this price, but going all in here, right? Did Joe Biden kill Bitcoin? Worst case or FUD? This guy's ridiculous. Here's B-Rad Crypto. What is he saying? Some low cap gems for let's see what he's got. He's got the glasses on now. What is he? That's pretty interesting.
We're seeing that people get quite confident. They're getting smart. Traders are getting smarter. Traders.
I like the traders getting smarter. I love the accent, man. But shout out to B-Rad on crypto. Check him out, man. He's getting his thing, doing his thing. 326. I remember when I was there, so shout him out. I'm gonna give him a like button. Yeah, give this guy some love. I think he has good information. He tries hard every day, busts out a video. The market maker moving the price to build their positions as low as possible and sell on their way up. Can you do a George Bush voice? George Bush, what do you do? I can do the Dana Carvey when he does George Bush in Men at Work. Remember that? He's like, read my lips, no new taxes. Up in Kennebunkport. Me and my family up in Kennebunkport. Anyway, you'd have to watch the movie to know what I'm talking about. Old school movie too. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. Moonshot is the next safe moon. Only 26 days old. 10x imminent. Getting listed on 2 exchanges this month. NFTs listed on CoinMarketCap. Buy with BNB on pancakeswap. Mission Control. Letting them know. Let them know. We did do a moonshot video. I got my moonshot video. So when everyone blows up and they say, well, I told you about moonshot before it happened. Yeah. But you never know. You never know. Run this up too. The Wolf of Wall Street wants this to moon. This is the Moon Boys. We got Moon Boys coin, right? There's so many of these coins, man. And Soj doing pretty well. We're gonna take a look at Soj. Someone super chatted about Soj. Let's make sure I didn't miss any super chats here. Let me go through. Sharing the love. Thank you, live for Safe Token. Safe Token. We got to do Safe Token. Taco Cat. We kind of got to look at. We didn't get a full blown look at though. I'm sorry, Kabob. Go back to Taco Cat. We really had to just like kind of like it just came out. Really wasn't a really way to find out about Taco Cat, but I believe it could be big, right? I mean, let's look at it on BSC scan, right? And we'll see if we can find Taco Cat here. Tokens, Beep tokens, VR ACR20 tokens by market cap. Okay. Tokens by volume. That's pretty interesting too. Wrapped ETH, Binance Peg, EOS. Interesting. Tokens by volume. Probably Cake. It's got to be K. BUSD, Venus. Wow, everyone jumped into these Pancake right there though by volume. Look at that. Number 12 in the game. Venus pretty big, which I don't even use on it. Venus USDC. So a lot of people are using this Venus USDC. I wonder why. Safe Moon, man. Number 17 on Binance Smart Chain. So like still one of the bigger movers here today, you know. I don't think you want to be out of a coin with that much volume, right? That's like where the party's at, right? SXP, that much volume. Interesting. I didn't think that would be the case. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. I really thought nobody was going to show up. I thought it was going to be a sad, sad day. Any idea about Pundy X? New token blowing up on YouTube. Safe Panda. I can see how Safe Panda could get pretty big, honestly. Makes sense, right? Safe Panda. Can't tell which coin is the right coin, though, honestly. You'll see by kind of the interaction right now. One address holder, like it's obviously not this one, right? Safe Panda. I went to the first one or the second one. Neither of these is the contract, I don't think. You got to go to KuCoin. You really have to Google these and go to the Reddits, in my opinion. Yeah, nothing here. Don't go to any of this stuff. Price prediction on Moon Boys. I don't know, man. I think you go. I just want a 10x in it. I want a 10x and get out. That's the idea, man. Moon Boys, 10x and get out of Moon Boys. That's it. Nothing crazy. I've been checking on my phone every 10 minutes. This is a part of my daily routine, right? It's funny, man. Any idea about Punny X? Bitcoin testing 50K. Honestly, I'm not worried about Bitcoin, man. I'm not worried about this. I think they're just doing this to scare everybody. A couple days from now, we could be back at 60K, a la-di-da-da-da, like right back like it all started again, you know? So, as scary, as crazy as these times are, man, we need these. And a lot of times, man, the lowest dip is before the biggest pump. Like, see, we're doing good. They dip us, and then they... So, we need these dips for these big pumps because that's what I see happening. Joe Bear Biden. Yeah, I've been checking my phone every 10 minutes. Oh, man. People can say whatever they want about Donald, man. He was good for the markets. He was good for the markets, bro. He was good for a trader. If you were a trader, you don't want to say it, but, you know. This is bullish divergence now playing out. Strictly, that is bullish divergence. So let's see if this can hold. That's what we want to see right now. We want to see this bullish divergence playing out. Swing low to swing low. Bam, bam. Swing up to swing up here on the RSI, right? On the 4-hour, too, strong. The bigger time frame, the stronger it is. And you can double click and see how nice that divergence is. That is a nice uptrend right there. So, that should bring us to the top of the pattern. I think I would long Bitcoin right now, 45.7. So right now, I'm going to put out a call right now for you guys. 4-hour looks really nice. I'd go long on Bitcoin right now at 49.7. I'm telling you right now. I'd put my stop loss, of course, below that lowest line. So here's a call for Bitcoin right now on the 4-hour. And honestly, use 1% of your portfolio. Use 32x leverage or less. Maybe 10x leverage. Take it easy. Just make a small little trade. Don't do something crazy. Okay? Orange Man, good. You know, right? Who's still in Moonshot? I sold and I wish I didn't. Oh, I'm still in Moonshot. Let me see, man. I'm in Moonshot. Really? Is it doing well? Today, I'm assuming everything's a mess, but, you know, watch me make a boatload of money on one of these tiny crap coins today. You never know, right? So let's take a look at what's going on with pancakeswap. And we're going to take a look at Moonshot. The only way I really tell my prices is I actually load up the coin, guys. I load up the coin and I try to sell it on pancakeswap. That's it. That's how I do it. Migration is delayed. All right. All right, I get it. I can handle it. I'm not going to cry. Let's take a look at what's going on, though, on pancakeswap. I'm excited. I get excited every time because I got so many of these little tiny coins now. I got to check them out. Got to check them out. Oh, man, really? I added all these coins like 100 times already. You think they would just stay there? Or maybe okay. That's why. Okay, hold on. I didn't fully connect. Can you not connect today? Oh, no, there we go. Okay, cool. Wow, I added Risk Moon, all these coins, man. That's sad, bro. Just gotta start holding my coins, like, you know. How much do I got in Safe Moon? And I just go to BUSD, you know. You get USD, BUSD, is all the same. Wow, 14.5, Safe Moon moving up. Still got 14K off of $300. I mean, I'm not selling my Safe Moon, man. I'm not an idiot. You know what? Everyone that was not smart sold their Safe Moon. So don't do what people that aren't smart do, you know? And I'm not even being smart. They're just not people who aren't sitting well in their zone, like understanding who they are, like people who aren't kind of equated with kind of the market, right? 49.8, man. Bitcoin's showing some signs of strength, in my opinion. I feel strong right now. Bitcoin feels strong to me. I know it's weird, but I feel it. I don't know if you guys feel it. It's pretty weird. Moonshot. I really think I put like $1,000 into Moonshot. I put more into Moonshot than I did any of these other ones. I was just like, ah, whatever, man. I can't even remember. I got to start writing it down. I'm going to start going through it all because I'm like, dude, how much did you put in these coins? You know? Yeah. Okay, I'm getting a little bit of I'm getting some information about the pre-sale, right? So I just want you guys to know. Okay, so I want to find the moonshot address and I want to put it in here on BSC Scan, right? I also want to find out what's up with my music, and I want more music to play. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. This is a nice one. This is a nice one. I just had like a memory of being somewhere and like smelling it and being there, and just got kind of sad, like knowing that like that memory. I was like, I just literally got nostalgia. I don't know why. I'm just being honest with you guys. I just got nostalgia being like 8 or 9 years old. In my house with my mom in the summertime, and the way the house smelled in the summer was always different, right? Because all the leaves and all the trees and everything was so beautiful, and I could smell it all. And I just remembered being there when I was that young, smelling that. Interesting how I got that notion right now out of nowhere. It was the music that kind of did it. Interesting. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Much respect for you guys being here. We're going to get to eventually 1,000 viewers eventually. Only a matter of time. And honestly, it's nice being intimate. Try to do swap on pancakeswap today. The price impact is too high. Can you check? Moonstorm. Yeah, I got into Moonstorm. I got into so many coins. Honestly, it's insane how many of these little coins I got into. I'm mostly ashamed at this point. I think I'm ashamed of myself. I think I got into 10 or 12 of them. Right? But I am up huge, bro. So I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Every time I don't sell, it goes up. Every time I do sell, it stays low. It's what do I do? You know, life. We got into 100x, XPE, Risk Moon, Rocket Moon, Elon, Moonshot. Definitely, I think I'm pretty sure I got into Moonstorm. Even though I don't have the token added, right? So many of these coins, man. First time tuning into the streams. How's it going, man? Shout out to you, man. Thank you for coming on into the live streams, man. Thank you for coming on it. First time tuning in. Thank you so much. Seeing correct one, old version, not the new one, though. Anyone experience problems with seeing a correct price of their tokens on PancakeSwap currently? I'm just going to wait a couple days, and once everything migrates, everything should be all right. Everything should be all right. Just got to give them some time, man. They're doing their thing, right? Like, they're going through it all. So we got it to Moonstorm, right? They tend to all be on right here. So I'm just going to go through all the ones I'm in right now, guys, so you guys can get a... I did give it to my Patreons the other day. But most of you guys are probably Patreons and pretty close to becoming a Patreon. Moonstorm. That's one I can't find yet. Pretty sure I got into Moonstorm, though. I'm almost positive. I'm not one of those guys, too. I don't make a video about every bag I get. You know, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Like Moonstorm Crypto. Moonstorm. KuCoin does not always have the right chart, right? You guys were telling me that. So you got to be careful. You got to be careful. Don't forget 110x. I thought I got 100x. Yeah. So this is actually going well. Ooh, this is popping up a little bit. You'll see the addresses up here too. You can always get it right here. Token OX. It ends up in your browser. They add it to the that's how they do it. Pretty interesting, right? So BSC scan. So this is the end of the stream, guys. You know, the stream's usually high-powered, very awesome. But at the end of the stream, I kind of mill it down, kind of do whatever, you know. We just kind of take it easy and, you know, do some maintenance, do some talking. It's the end of the stream, right? It's the end. We had a good stream, 2 hours straight, killing it, just doing our thing. And now this is our chance to kind of like rely, you know, kind of kick it as a group. And I do act, you know, obviously if you want something, you send me a super chat and I'll go over it for you, of course. Find you on TCL. Dig the stream, man. Thanks, man. Awesome, man. I love that you found me on TCL. You're one of the first people to say that out loud. That's awesome. That's awesome. So this is obviously, you see, this isn't the right contract. So I'm going to go back Moonstorm on Twitter. Pretty sure I bought this thing, but now I don't even know anymore. See this craziness that I'm doing? Yeah, because they were looking for a logo. Winding down to a beautiful Friday. It's going to be a nice day, man. It's going to be a beautiful day. Pancakeswap. But you got to, where's the contract address, though? Pre-sale, supply burn, learn more. Our roadmap. KuCoin. BSC scan. I like that. Okay, so this thing is popping pretty hard. I mean, you can see there's a lot of action here. I like it. Contract address is the 69D. So look, that was close, but it wasn't it, right? So now we go back over to pancakeswap, which is acting up, people are saying. I don't know. But regardless, I just want to add the, I just want to see if I even, I'm pretty sure I bought the token, you know? Like there's a website, but then it's not loading on being, you know, see that? That's pretty weird. And it could be what's going on today, right? With it could be just what's going on today with pancakeswap. Oh, there it is. Add. And I believe I put like $200 to $300 in this, you know? Remember I put like 0.7 BNB in there. So we'll see when it's, wow, it's taking a long time today. So yeah, I basically got my money in there right now. You know, what I put in, about $300. So we'll see what happens with that one. Now you said, I wish I didn't sell Moonshot. That's what you said? Someone said, I sold Moonshot. Wish I didn't. Right? Predicting on Moon Boys. Since Biden. Moonstorm. This is crazy, this stuff, though. Honestly. This is ludicrous. Rainy days are always followed by the sunshine, right? Time to get on the surfboard out and chill. Great stream. You're the man, dude. The fact that you said that, bro, that's awesome. Crypto Greg, go out and get it, man. Go out and get it. Thank you so much, man. Much respect, bro. This turned from crypto analysis into crypto therapy. Good vibe, tribe. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. Love you guys. I just want to see, man. Risk Moon. I got to write them all down with the contract next to them so I can just spit them out real fast. Just get it done. I'm going to make an Excel spreadsheet, put these all in an Excel. I can spend an hour doing that, get myself neat. Who is this calling us? Who is calling us now? Oh, hold on. All right, guys. Can't take the call right now. I'm actually live. Right? I don't think people realize. Okay, we'll get into it though. Okay. Long time listener, first time caller. Shout out to Geronimo M. Thank you for coming on in, man. Appreciate that. If capital gains does increase, there will be no incentive to hold long term. Might see more large mean pumps. It's crazy, right? We'll just make even more. We'll just make even more. and then we'll just pay them their little bits. We'll just get even richer and be like, all right, here's your tiny bit then, you know. It should show of capital gains, right? So there's the Moonstorm doing its thing. Risk Moon should show. Well, you added it yesterday. I remember adding it yesterday. Safe Moon, Risk Moon, Boo Boo Boo, Hoo Hoo. Then where's the big old bag? Is the big old bag, the hidden bag, the secret bag of Risk Moon? Where are you at, Risk Moon? That's all that's in this bag. It's really nothing else in this bag. No. That can't be right. That can't be right. What are you doing, man? Probably just have to switch this so like it's reading the it's not reading the new wallet, which is kind of weird. You know, I switched wallets and it's not reading it. It's kind of weird, which it always does. Pretty interesting. See, with more different amount of Safe Moon in there. 12 billion Safe Moons. About 51,000. That makes sense. You know. Anyway. Helium is up. Capital gains change would only apply to people making over 1 million a year. Yeah, but that's going to be all of us if we're lucky. So, I mean, that's going to be a pounding, honestly, you know. It is what it is. I get it. I don't want to be that a Scrooge McDuck in the world about like I'll pay my fair share. I just don't like that. Like, I risk so much trying to get where I'm at, and the government doesn't provide any risk, and you know, they don't give me money when the risk is bad, right? Like, when things go bad for me, like when I lose a trade, they don't help me out. They're not like, oh, here you go, man, like you'll get it next time, like here's half off. But like when I win, they're like, oh, where's our gains? Where's half our money? Like, we want our money now. And I'm like, whoa, like, did you guys throw down? Like, did you work hard? And then, so I got taxed on the money that I already, so that's the crazy thing too. I got taxed, right? And, you know, I don't know. I got taxed on the money that I worked for. Then I invested that, and then you tax me again. How long should I wait on PancakeSwap for it to show the quantity of Moonstorm? I don't know. How did you get the Moonstorm? The government wants your gains, but if you lose money now, they're nowhere to be found. I know, that's what's so weird. I don't get that. It doesn't make sense to me. You know? It doesn't make any sense to me. It's really weird. Like, I'm like, well, wait. What, like, so if I put 100 grand down and I lose 50 grand, nothing happens, you know? You give me a little tiny write-off, right? It's not proportionally the same, you know? Moonstorm has a pretty good website. They're looking pretty legit, honestly. I like what we're seeing there for Moonstorm. Just, you know, right off the bat. So all these have about $300 in them. You can see, and they're all just kind of steady where they are. They almost all have $300. Elongate is another one I'm in. That was doing really well. And they've been giving a lot of money back too as well. People seem to be really liking Elongate. You can tell if it's the contract address if it's been buying every 5-6 seconds. So they're getting a lot of buys here. Here's the contract address. Funny though, I added all these. Like, this shouldn't, like, this is crazy, right? Gotta find a better place to do all this. Reef might do it, but Reef like misses out on a lot of these little coins. It doesn't give you what you want, you know? This was like 1900 recently. So it lost a little bit, 1500, but it was only like $200. So, and then I go to PancakeSwap and I do the kind of the same thing. You know, I switch to this and I look at like Shiba Inu and whatever the coin is, and I'm kind of obsessed with it now. It's just something I've been doing, you know, anyway. Look, Shiba should come up right here because it's like all I have. Yeah, there it goes. Shiba. Shiba was doing well. I had about 200 bucks in it, and at one point it was 3 grand, which probably should have taken 1,500 bucks though. So I'm just still like, you know, I'm like, well, why let these things play out? And then I did the TA on them, and they all look pretty solid. This I got 350 in. It was at 1,000 yesterday. It took a dump back. But I'm just going to let them ride out, man. I'm just going to let them ride out, do their thing. This took a dump. I think I put like 300 in this. And it's only, you know, this one fell off pretty much. But it's very new. No one even knows about it. It's like a day old. So we'll see what happens. How's my VAI doing? Taking a beat. They don't even need tax because they print money out of nothing. I know. Let me tax everything you had again, right? And they spend the money horribly, bro. Yep, Moonstorm is not appearing in the quantity. I got the same link. Yeah, I don't know, man. The government wants you. Take you down, man. But anyway, let's not get us taken away, right? Thank you for everything. Gotta go. Can't wait to join the 99. Jump on in, man. Join the 99. And again, I do tutoring. Someone asked for tutoring right now. If you need tutoring, you just go right here and book the appointment. Right here. Boom. At Appointee. Make an appointment with me. This is my entire schedule. Come on in, man. Come on in. Someone right now just asked to book an appointment. I'm going to be like, well, this is how you do it, my friend. This is how you do it. Oh, so we still need to look at Hadouken Super Chats. Never look at Hadouken Super Chats for some reason. Like, even though I want to, I don't know what safe token. Safe token. Safe token. Earn passive income the safe way. Safe token is the next gen cryptocurrency that combines auto liquidity, frictionless yield, and token burn. Auto liquidity, frictionless yield, token burn. Safe token is decentralized and community driven. Join our Telegram. War on rugs, secure. They're horrible, man. I don't even care. They've rugged people, bro. I don't know. Rug detectives, Captain Jack. I like that though. At least they have 420 trillion is the 420. That's interesting. Like, let's accomplish our goals together. Launch, expansion, growth. Wall Street Bets, Instagram, 130,000 followers. Featured on. Interesting. Okay. The Crypto Lifers YouTube channel. Because now it has been. How to buy, contract, price chart. Dex Guru. Gonna make this a bookmark. Bookmark this tab and bookmark it where? Into the crypto deep dives. Thank you. So look, nice pump off to the end, but dump again. Safe token. So it already had its big blast off. Like, all these tokens did unbelievable. So that was the run up, man. And now we have like the slow decline, right? I like Dex Guru. This is an interesting little site here. It looks like it even has a swap. So you can do your swapping. Interesting. Almost looks like you could have a limit order. I like it has buy and sells though. That's pretty interesting. I like what we're seeing here. This is interesting. I didn't realize. I like Dex Guru. I might start using it a lot more. We need more stuff like this, actually. Interesting. Probably see me making some buys and sells here a lot. See what goes on. Thank you to everyone for the super chats. Thank you to everyone for the awesome time. Yeah, Warren Ruggs is the biggest rug pull ever, right? When I buy Moon with BNB, it does nothing. I don't know. Got to do something about it sooner or later. When is the light video, sir? Oh my gosh, the light video, bro. Keep forgetting about the next video. Light. I like Eureka too, man. I think Eureka is a really interesting project. Every once in a while I do a video because I think it's gonna make us money. Then I do a video because I think a project is actually just interesting. Like, and I hope that also makes us money. We're looking at Safe, man. We did Safe token. See, we did it. We talked about it. We're at the website. So the one time we did it, you weren't here. This is hilarious. So funny. You asked about it and then you walked away and then But like you walked away a long time ago, right? This guy is just getting paid.
Today we're going to be talking about Safe Token. Now I've come out with a
You know they paid this guy for all these.
Everything from Safe Moon, Safe Mars, Safe Earth, Safe Token. You're basically getting the point. It is a deflationary token that has been popping off recently because of the transaction fee. Now if you don't know much about this type of token, make sure to go check out my other videos. But basically anytime there's a transaction, 10% fee is applied. 5% of that fee goes back to the holders of the coin. The other 5% get burnt, making the coins more valuable. So very interesting concept, and there have been a ton of tokens popping up because of it. Now one of the most recent ones I want to share with you guys is called Safe Token. Now I'm not saying to purchase it or sell it because I am not a financial advisor, but what I am doing is bringing you the information early, but very new. There isn't a ton of information we can find to purchase.
He's like,
Safe
I
Token.
have to
Click
make
on
this
this
video
little
because I got
button here.
paid for it, but I just gotta like.
Takes us to pancakeswap. You're gonna let the token.
This dude they just go to him. Look, and he uses the same picture every time. How to buy Moon Pirate, Moon Rat, Aqua. This man will do anything. This man will say anything. Yo, he will take anyone's money and make any coin. Yo, this is kind of crazy. Burn coin, how to buy Rocket Bunny. And then he even just makes the same. Wow. I kind of like how easy he makes this. Like he just kind of does it, right? Funny. Pretty interesting. You got to give it to him, but he's killing it doing this. But that's all he does, right? People pay him to make a video, right? So you can't really trust anything he says because, I don't know. But he has some good information, I guess. He knows all these tiny coins, man. Me and him made our Safe Moon on the same day, our video on the same day. I remember it. I could use the same logo over and over again, and you guys would just let me do that. I didn't know that was like, I thought you guys would like kind of come down on me after a while and be like, all right, guy. Put some more effort into that. Like, come on, man. You know? I didn't know that was legit. I didn't know I could get away with that. You know? But if I can get away with that, I'll do that. Right? But I mean, I don't think that's cool. I kind of want to work a little harder. Aldo Traverso. Would you announce on the Patreon? It's possible. It's possible. All right, everybody. We're going to run out of here. We're going to take a look at the news. See what the news is saying about our big old Bitcoin. Which is I love to do it. It makes me laugh, right? But run up that video on the crypto lifestyle for me, please. Just keep going over there. Run that video up to 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Just get it going, man. Get it going to the top. YouTube holding me down, saying there's 131 when we have 142 too. Like there it goes. All right. Anyway, always a change. So that's Safe Token. We went over Safe Token, Hadouken. I hope we nailed it for you. Would you announce on the Patreon? He looks like the alpha. He looks like the actor in Alpha Dogs. What do you think a good time to top up your cake bag? I don't top up the cake bag, man. I'm happy with my cake, man. I got over 2,000 cakes. I'm just going to let them hang out, dude. Alright, no problem. Thank you. No, I'm excited about Sand. I think it will take off as long as the game is good. We're set. I agree. Sand is a good thing. All good. Thank you, Lifer. Alpha Dogs. I'm probably going to see this and be like really upset. Like, really? Ben Foster, maybe? Who do you think I look like? This guy? Vincent, this guy? Come on, man. Nah, man, come on. I don't know. Life a long time. Love you, brother. Shout out to Credo17, man. My dude, man. Monty Norden. Do you think it's a good time to top up your cake bag? No, I don't know. Not too original. Would you announce on the Patreon? No, what I do is I'd like you to DM me in my Telegram. Right? Drug deal. Yeah, so funny. I'm excited about saying, yeah, I was on the V2, swap back to V2 at the bottom. Yeah, you got to swap back, man. Just take it easy right now. You guys are getting hungry on V1, on V2, man. Just take it easy. Take it easy. New, V1 old. V2 new. V1 old. Aha. So I'm on V1 right now. Why didn't they redo it, man? They should have made it look all cool and fun. You know? I thought I won, but I didn't. It was like, you won? I won? What? I didn't play the lottery. I don't play the cake lottery, man. I really don't. Why do that? Why do that when it can just earn you passive incomes? Right? My cake bag overfloweth. I think he was talking about the guy from the video you just played. What video did I just play? That guy? Oh, come on, man. Now you're being silly. I'm loving Bunny Finance. Oh, it's the best. Pancake Bunny is the best. Pancake Bunny, look at that. $300 million market cap for Pancake Bunny doing its thing. $3.2 billion for Cake. And look at this, 344, 255%. This went down a little bit. Not sure why this went down, honestly. But I guess because the price of Cake went up. If Cake keeps going up, this price will go down, right? But it is what it is, man. Passive income it's absolutely the best. It doesn't get any better than this passive income. It really doesn't. I'm loving it every single day and continually using it all the time. So, did the price of gold do anything today? You think it would have taken a beating or not? Not sure, right? $17.75, $25 an ounce. Man, not too bad. Still kind of hanging in there, right? Come on, Bitcoin, break 50K. I like what this is breaking a previous support line right there, right? We're breaking above it. That is the line, that green line. So we broke above it. We just had some really serious buy action. The bulls really stepped up for us. That's a nice fat candle. 47.9 was the open. The low was 47.5. It closed at 50. It closed at 50K. So we got a 50K close. All right, now we're kind of dabbling. So, and I did tell you to buy in at 49.7. Yeah, that was an idea for the call, right? So just, again, don't do anything I do on this channel, but that was my idea. My idea was to buy in at 49.7. I see position of strength, right? Coins are moving. Bitcoin sent to exchanges. Parabolic Bitcoin price structure in danger. Cycle climax or a risky reset. What part did Ethereum whales play in the recent correction? Just kind of things to think about, right? Bitcoin gold god Michael Saylor advises. Holding scarce assets amid increasing taxes. Veteran Bitcoin advocates evangelist Michael Saylor has weighed in on the current strain of the market and its impact on investors by advising they should invest in scarce and portable assets. Taking into his official Twitter handle, Saylor noted that the best move anyone can make amidst fears of inflation and increasing taxation is to invest in assets with proven resilience against negative market influences. The rational strategy in the face of escalating inflation and tax risk is to construct a portfolio of scarce, desirable portfolio assets that you can hold forever, he revealed. The rational strategy in the face of escalating inflation and taxation risk is to construct a portable of scarce. In the past hours, media reported have hit the United States. Joe Biden is all geared up to make a new capital gains tax proposal, which will see an increment in the current from 20 to 39.6%. Investors are reading negatively on this news, evident by the tumbling of the stock market. Based on Michael Saylor's precedence with his prominent role in leading his firm of 90,000 Bitcoin to its balance sheet, Michael Saylor said his tweet is indirectly advocating for the buyout of more Bitcoin. Of course, man. SEC begins to review Bitcoin ETF proposals under the new chief, Gary Gensler. So, another thing I want to see, I wanted to take a look at the Dow Jones. How did the Dow do today? Because the Dow tanked, we always see a little bit of a correlation, which I don't like to say, and I hate that it's there. Bitcoin has obviously done its own thing completely, but we'll take a look. So the Dow's actually up today. So I don't know why they sent Dow tumbling. Dow's actually pretty flat, up 190 points. Dow's actually doing great. Let's take a look at the daily on the Dow. The Dow's doing all right. It's actually flagging up here, which is actually a huge sign for a big break to the upside. So nothing wrong with the Dow Jones. Maybe that was yesterday we tumbled, right? Yesterday we tumbled, but today's looking pretty good. Actually, everyone's buying back up the low. Just kind of like a news fear to get people to sell. I think that's what they do. They try to freak people out so they can get them to sell and just kind of make a move on that. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. We're going to run it on out. Thank you guys for being here. If you keep the same design for your just small coin reviews, it'll make it easier for us to know which are the coin reviews and which are your live streams, maybe. Yeah, but the coin reviews and the live streams are obvious, right? Like if you go to my thing, look, the live streams are the ones with my face that say live stream on them. And, you know, the reviews actually have a coin review on them. So, right? Didn't realize that was blurry. That shouldn't be blurry. It should be nice and neat. Interesting. I'll have to fix that, but should look nice like this. Don't know why that looks all blurry. Just noticed that. Thank you so much, Tom G, for the subscription. Thank you so much for Jason B for the subscription. But look out for more coming from me every single day, guys. Meter governance tokens on the low. Nice place to grab it up. Nice, really nice price to grab it up right now. Coinbase is a pump on everything you need. Boom, boom, boom. So much information. Whoosh, right over his head. Sean. Oh, he looks like the alpha in Alpha Dogs. That dude looks like the alpha in Alpha Dogs. I get it now. I put the two together. He actually did kind of look like that dude now. Your layout is very easy to follow. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. We're going to run on out of the live, but it's been a bloodbath. But we made it through, and we're going to continue to make it through. That's great. You're already doing it. Played your other video twice so far. Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate that. And we're going to say crypto is life, and then we're going to run on out of here, guys. So thank you guys so much for a wonderful day. We're going to say 1, 2, 3, crypto is life. And then, yeah. It's sadly going to be the end of the stream, which to me is always kind of like bittersweet. I do get to get out of this chair, which my butt hurts a little bit right now, to be honest, you know. But I wouldn't give up that pain for anything in the world. So I love you guys, and thank you for being here. And I'll be back tomorrow for another live stream. And I appreciate all the super chats. What an amazing day. Even with all the ups and downs, we're still a strong team, and we're still a strong force. I'll see anyone who I'm tutoring later on today. Thank you guys so much for signing up for tutoring. If I'm 10 minutes late, just know that it's because the next one got late and pushes me back a little bit if they're staggered. But peace to everybody. Thank you guys so much for being here yet again. And we're going to say 1, 2, 3, crypto is life. And we're going to sign off for the day. 1, 2, 3, crypto is life. And if you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing, guys. Crypto is life. Hold. Don't be a paper-handed, weak-handed.